All right, we're going Grenada now. We're going home. We're going Grenada. Listen. All you listen. Listen, you see this CARICOM thing we're running here at night. We're going Grenada now. That the Grenadian section? All right, darling. All right. I had to get all it right, you know, because the last time I went Grenada, they locked me up. I jump on the stage and say, ladies and gentlemen, this is a fact. They hold me for obscene language. So I just want to let you know that was a worry, you know. Don't try that stupidness on me. All right, we're going down. Grenada this time. The name of the man, AJAMU. The name of the song, Open Up the Door. Put your hands together and welcome AJAMU and Momas. Momas. Oh, look the chorus, girl. Hi. Oh. Hi. AJAMU take the mic now, I can't sing, you know. Oh.
All right, people. I want to come in. All right. Take the music down. Take the music down. Marcelino. Good night, everybody. Happy Easter to everyone in here. I want to give a rose to a special lady. Any nice woman, just come up here and collect this rose for me. I want to pass. Come for the rose, darling. Come up. All right. I want to come in. Come there. Let's go. I wanna come in. Oh yeah. Long time Johnny calling me on the telephone. She said, Jamo baby, check me at my home. I have something nice and rosy waiting here for you. So you better collect it before somebody do. But all I want she, what she got for me. She said, Jamo, come down, then you can see. So I jump in a taxi and I went to check she. But boy, when I do so, she opened the front door. Then she saying to me, wait, let me get ready. But I wasn't patient, so I said, if you can give me something, just stop wasting precious time. Them kind of mama gives him, girl, really blowing my mind. Open up the door, let me come in. Oh, Junie, open up the door, want to come in. Long time now you molesting me, and I feeling how. I don't know what's that you got for me, but I'm gonna take it now. Open up the door, let me come in. Oh, Johnny, open up the door, I want to come in. Okay. I want to come in. Ding, 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 ding. Dig it up. Oh, Johnny. Sister Johnny, tell me why you really acting so. If you have something for me, give me, let me go. Because I really know what is your intention. You're giving me parable and I can't understand. I don't want to stand here in front of your door. Because I'm a busy fella, I want to go. So stop on your selfish pride and let me come inside. Take me with a jacket and hang it in your closet. Then make me some hot tea to warm up my body. And then you gon' give me what is mine. If you gon' give me something, girl, stop wasting precious time. Them It's in the really blowing my mind. Open up the door, let me come in. Sister Johnny, open up the door, want to come in. Long time now you molesting me and I feeling out. I don't know what's that you got for me, but I'm gonna take it now. Open up the door, let me come in. But Johnny, open up the door, want to come in. Okay. Marcelino. Hey. I wanna pass. I wanna come in. I want to pass. Move your foot. All right. What you say? How you feeling? How you feeling? I want to see everybody moving because this action getting tight. Thank you. All right. If you see me on my knees against Sister Johnny, but you wouldn't sympathize and open up for me. She said to me, Jamo, I'm a decent young woman, and I'm afraid you put my name in your composition. But if you would give me a minute or two, I would come and open it up for you. But how you behaving like you're out for something? So why don't you tell me what is all this sorry? If you come down by me, you can't be so busy. If something is wrong, just let me know. If you gon' give me something, girl, stop wasting precious time. Them kind of mama gives him, girl, really blowing my mind. Open up the door, let me come in. Oh, Junior, open up the door, want to come in. Long time now you molesting me and I feeling a how. I don't know what's that you got for me, but I'm gonna take it now. Open up the door, let me come in. Mr. Junior, open up the door, want to come in. Open up, Junior, open up. I wanna pass. Open up, Mr. Junior, open up. Open up the door, let me come in. Junior, open up the door, want to come in. Open up, Junior, open up. Open up, Mr. Junior, open up. Take it. Bangalang, 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 bangalang. I wanna pass. Bangalang, bangalang. Open up the door, let me come in. Oh, Junior, open up the door, want to come in. Open up, Junior, open up. I say open up, Mr. Junior, open up. Open up the door, let me come in. Junior, open up the door, want to come in. Open up, Junior, open. All right, open up, Mr. Junior, open up. I want open up, Junior, open up. I say open up, Mr. Junior, open. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the rest of the show. God bless you. Wonderful. I love you people. Bye-bye.
Oh, open up, let me come in. Yeah, man. Let me hear it nice and strong for the Grenada connection at AJAMU doing. Open up the door, the brethren and sisters. Not you, girl, hush. I trying my best to talk to people. My horoscope say be kind to dumb animal. Hush, and I won't tell you nothing. Grenada connection, very nice. Excuse me, I can't. Oh, sorry. Right. All right, let me know. Okay.